Hello, welcome to Soup, Salads and some more. Today again we are in a some more section and we are going to make a curry which is of beans, French beans and potato. So potato and French bean curry, let's see what all the ingredients we need for. So all my ingredients are ready here for making of the sabji. One big potato which is with the skin, I've cut it and soaked in water, big chunk. There are 20 strings of French bean, just head and tail it and cut it into 1 centimeter long. Washed and kept it in water. This is the dehydrated onion, 3 tablespoons I've taken and soaked in normal room temperature water. But if you don't have this, you can use normal medium size 1 onion, chop it finely. Oil for making the curry, 2 to 3 bay leaf, and rest all the masalas are there. We'll be grinding the onion which is soaked in water along with coconut which is 2 tablespoons and aniseed or saunf which is 1 tablespoon. Both with the onion will make a good paste out of it. Rest all the masalas are there: salt, garam masala, turmeric, this is the cumin powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. That is all we need to make this curry. So my pan is red on the flame, pouring 2 tablespoons of oil. I will heat it nicely and then add bay leaf. Oil is hot. Let us add the bay leaf first. Saute it for 1 minute. I am adding the aniseed. This is the ground paste of onion, coconut and aniseed, which is made a nice smooth paste out of it. Just lowering the flame a little bit. Two tablespoons of water in the mixie. Mix it nicely, whatever is left out in the mixie all around, and add it to the pan. Now one by one we will put all the spices in it. First goes the turmeric. Now the coriander powder, I'll add 2 teaspoons. Cumin powder, or almost it is 1.5 teaspoon. Red chili powder, well, it is always to the taste of the person. I am adding 1 teaspoon. You can increase if you want a more spicy one or reduce if you don't want it. Give a stir. We have here garam masala, which we will be adding later. Needs little bit more oil. Another 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and we will fry the masalas. The rawness of the onion and the coconut all has to go. It will take at least 3 to 4 minutes till that masala gets nicely fried. Now is the time to add potato and beans, because we will be sauteing it along with this masala. I've drained the water from that. Let the masala coat all potatoes and beans. Mix it that way. Because this is raw potato and beans are raw, so it needs little 10 to 12 minutes to cook in water. I'll add water and salt now. This is almost 2.5 cups of water. Let us add salt. 1 teaspoon of salt I am adding. We can adjust at the end. Let one boil come and then I will cover and cook in low flame for at least 10 to 12 minutes. So let it boil. It's nicely boiling now. So I'm going to cover it. Reduce the flame to sim and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes till both the vegetables are completely cooked. So here it is. I served my potato and French bean curry to go with your roti, chapati, bread, rice, anything. Till I come back, TTFN.